Are you looking for the top 5 best cordless immersion blenders? I bought and tested these immersion blenders so you don't have to waste your money on subpar products. I've spent time blending, whipping, and pureeing to find the best cordless immersion blenders out there. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that truly deliver on performance and value. Product number 1, Tulalar Immersion Blender. When I first unboxed the Tulalar Immersion Blender, I was struck by its sleek design and ergonomic grip. The 1100-watt motor powered through anything I threw at it, from soups to smoothies, in mere seconds. The variable speed trigger was a game changer. I could go from a gentle mix to a powerful whirl without any splattering. I whipped up creamy soups effortlessly, and the included whisk and frother made my mornings a lot more exciting when crafting lattes. However, I did encounter some limitations. While it performed well for most tasks, I found that I had to be cautious with tougher ingredients like ice, as the manual warns against prolonged use with hard items. The removable blade is a nice touch for cleaning, but sometimes it felt a bit wobbly when attached. So why should you buy this? If you're looking for a powerful, versatile immersion blender that won't break the bank, the Tulalar is an excellent choice. Its combination of attachments and ease of use makes it perfect for both new cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Product number 2, Cuisinart CSB 179. I was eager to try the Cuisinart Smart Stick after hearing rave reviews. It's got this robust 300-watt motor that handles everything from soups to dressings with ease. The stainless steel blending shaft was impressive, allowing me to dive right into hot pots without fear. The comfort grip handle was a highlight. My wrist didn't tire out even after extended use. I loved the variability. The slide control made it easy to adjust speeds on the fly, ensuring I got the desired consistency every time. Still, there were a few quirks. While it blended wonderfully, I could feel it struggle a bit with thicker mixtures, and the 3-cup chopper felt a tad underwhelming for larger batches. Also, the lack of a dedicated whisk attachment was a bit disappointing. But here's the deal. If you want something reliable and user-friendly, the Cuisinart CSB 179 is a solid investment. It's versatile enough for everyday use and backed by a 3-year warranty, making it a worry-free choice. Product number 3, Ninja Immersion Blender. The Ninja Immersion Blender caught my eye with its sleek navy design and impressive features. The first thing I noticed was the smart torque technology. It maintained its speed even with thick mixtures, which was a game changer for me when whipping up creamy sauces. The included 4-cup blending pitcher was handy, making it easy to create smoothies without the need for a bulky countertop blender. I really appreciated the splatter shield, which kept messes to a minimum while I blended. However, the ergonomics could use some work. The handle felt a bit bulky during prolonged use, which made blending a chore at times. Also, while the whisk attachment was powerful, I found that it struggled with denser mixtures like dough. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional hand blender, the Ninja is worth considering. Its blend of power and convenience makes it a solid addition to any kitchen. Product number 4, Vitamix Immersion Blender. The Vitamix Immersion Blender is marketed as professional grade, and let me tell you, it lives up to the hype. The 625-watt motor is incredibly powerful, allowing me to blend hot soups directly in the pot without any hassle. The included whisk attachment was perfect for whipping cream, and the storage case kept everything organized, which I appreciated. I particularly liked the one-handed operation feature. It allowed me to add ingredients while blending without any issues. That said, the size and weight of the blender may be a concern for some users. It's a bit bulkier than your average immersion blender, which might make it challenging to store in smaller kitchens. Additionally, the price point is on the higher side, which may not fit every budget. Still, if you're serious about cooking and want a tool that can handle just about anything you throw at it, the Vitamix is a worthy investment. Its durability and performance are unmatched, making it a standout option for culinary enthusiasts. Product number 5, Wuto Cordless Immersion Blender. The Wuto Cordless Immersion Blender is all about freedom and functionality. With its built-in 2000 mAh battery, I was amazed at how liberating it felt to blend without being tethered to an outlet. I whipped up smoothies and soups in a breeze, and the 700 milliliter beaker was perfect for larger batches. The 4-in-1 design really impressed me. I found myself using the chopper and whisk attachments often, and they performed exceptionally well. However, I did notice that the battery life could dwindle quickly if you're not careful with usage, and the charging time was a bit long for my liking. The splash guard was a great feature, but it felt somewhat flimsy during heavy blending sessions. But if you value portability and versatility, the Wuto is a fantastic choice. It performs well and offers the convenience of being completely cordless, making it ideal for outdoor cooking or simply moving around your kitchen without restrictions. So there you have it, my top 5 cordless immersion blenders that cater to a variety of needs and preferences. Whether you're a casual cook or a kitchen pro, these blenders deliver performance and value. Go ahead and make an informed choice, and happy blending!